In this video, we will know about the correct uses of adjectives. First one is some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentences. What is affirmative sentences? A positive statement. And any is used in negative sentence or interrogative sentence. Two examples are given. I have some books. Second, do you have any book? So second one is interrogative. So that's why we have used any, and first one is affirmative sentence. Second, we have each and every. Each is used only when two or more things are given or groups are given, and when the group is limited and definite. But every is used for more than two groups or two things, and when the number is indefinite. For example, last week it rained each day. Second, buses leave every 10 minutes. So in second example, it is indefinite. Next we have either and neither. So they are used for two person or things, whereas for more than two things we use any or none. For example, we can say anyone is there. Then anyone is used for any body or person, but anyone is used for only people or things. For example, give me any one of these. Next we have use of few and little. A few meaning is some, few meaning is not many or hardly any. The few meaning is not many but all of them. Whatever you have means all of them. So few is used for plural and it is used for countable things. For example, there were a few magazines in the shelf. Second, few students attended class. Third word, I lost the few pens I had. So the few is not many but whatever I had. So as we have used few in the sentences, in the same way little is used, but it is used for uncountable and it is used with singular noun. Okay, for example, if I say please give me little water, so water is uncountable as well as singular here. Next is each other, used for two things or person. One another is used for more than two person or two things. Many and much, both are there, but many is used for countable things and it indicates number, and much is used only for uncountable or quantity. For example, water. Many a is used for singular verb or noun. A great many is used for plural noun or verb. Next is all and whole. Both indicates quantity, and when you are using them, you have to pay attention the position of the used in the sentence. Okay, for example, I drank all the milk. So all is denoting quantity. Second example, I drank the whole milk. So the whole is used and it is again showing the quantity. Next, please note the following meanings. For a little, it means for a while or for a time. Second one, not a little, much, extremely. Okay, then third one, little or nothing, it means hardly anything. And fourth one is what little, means all possible. So these all are about adjectives. Thank you and have a nice day. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with adjectives which may be opposite in meaning to those of the words in italics. First one, wise opposite is foolish. Second, repulsive opposite is attractive or charming. Third, temporary opposite is permanent. Answer is permanent. Fourth one, gentle opposite is rude. Fifth, humble opposite is proud. Sixth, lenient opposite is severe or strict. 7. Rough opposite is gentle or soft. Exercise 4. Form adjectives from the following. First one, hilly. Second, cloudy. Third, graceful. Fourth, golden. Fifth, healthy. Sixth, wealthy. Seventh, honorable. Eighth, fallacious. Ninth, proud. Eighth, glorious. 11th, pitiful. 12, wonderful. 13, pompous. 14, progressive. 15, quarrelsome. 16, angry. 17, contemptuous, ridiculous, French, British, thoughtful, hopeful, childish, princely. Next we move to the next exercise. Exercise 8. Fill in the blanks of each sentence with the appropriate word to be found within the bracket. First one. Each or every. The 2 soldiers each had a gun. Second. 10 boys stood in each row. Third. Every man wants to be happy. B part. Farther or further. First one. Meerut is farther from Delhi than Ghaziabad. Second. Until further orders you will remain here. Third sentence, no further reasons were given. C. Older or elder. Ramesh is my elder brother. Second, I am older than you. Third, this building is older than that one. Fourth, or D part, all or whole. First one, the whole milk was split on the floor. Second, he lost all hope of recovery. Third one is blank. You have to find this one. Okay, then E part, some or any. First one, can you give me some food? Second, have you seen any picture recently? Third, there is hardly any money on me. F part, a little or little. First one, please give me a little milk for my child. Second, I have a little money so I can't help you. Third one, this little rain means nothing to the farmers. G part, a few or few. First one, there were a few shops open so I could make my purchases. Second, as few person came for the meeting had to be postponed. Last one is, I could reach home as there were a few buses running. Now you have to tell the answer of D, third part. Still I am telling its answer is all. Thank you, class.